here we have an amazing executive saloon vehicle. Right behind me is the Mercedes-Benz, the new model S500 long wheelbase AMG line executive. What a car this is. With 32,000 miles on, one owner from new, on a 2022 22 registration. This car does have literally everything. First of all, the S500 is a 3-litre petrol engine, not a 60 in 4.9 seconds, and around 440 brake horsepower. But it's comfortable, super luxurious, and with a live pricing, you're getting a lot of car for your money. A huge saving against the list price. The colour is Obsidian black, which is a metallic black. And being the AMG line Premium Plus and the Executive, I'm just going to go around and show you some of the extras that you get with that trim level. Starting with the front, you have the Mercedes mascot badging on the front, and that's just a nice little statement on its own. The huge chrome grille with lots of sensor pads, because this car has got front rear parking sensors. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane assist, steering assist. You can then see the detailing in the headlights. So this car has something called the digital lighting system. So as soon as you turn the engine on and the lights come on, it gives you a bit of a dance show. But they are fully adaptive as well. So again, at night driving, the high beams are on. As the car comes towards you, it switches off. As it goes past you, it goes back on again. You've then got the continuous chrome feature on the AMG line bumpers, also on the front splitter, headlight washers, and then you have the colour-coded bumpers. The upgraded 21-inch executive wheels. Now they are two-tone, so you can see the diamond cut on the face of it and the gloss black on the insert, and they sit really well because it fills the arches. But then you've got the Airmatic air suspension. The car is a very, very comfortable car. You can't feel any bumps at all, and it floors really well. More chrome down the bottom on the side skirts, the window surround. Then you've got the sun protection glass and the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. You can see straight away by the size of the back door, the long wheelbase means you get more leg space in the rear cabin just there. Electric deployable door handles, you can press that and they'll come out automatically, as like this. I'll show you. Like that. And you have got puddle lights as well. But as soon as you open the doors, you see that new OLED infotainment screen. There's ambient lighting everywhere. You've got heated seats, electric memory and ventilated seats, the upgraded Burmester sound system. I'll quickly turn it on and show you all this beautiful lighting. If you just look at the entry kick plate, it's absolutely unmarked, fully fitted mats, huge door bins. There's diamond coated perforated leather on the seats and the door cards, and there's a lot of floating effect around the vehicle. That's on the control panel here, on the center dash, even above your head. There's the ambient lighting, the quad light heating system, heads-up display, full digital driver zone. You've also got features like heated steering wheel, stop-start button, and then your normal electric windows and mirrors. There is leather everywhere. It feels super luxurious, and that's what you want. Now, in the back, it gets really exciting. You've got soft closed doors and everything else. Built-in blinds, more ambient lighting, the leather the Burmester carries on, heated and ventilated seats for the rear seat passengers, and you've also got the button here that turns it into a full reclining mode, so you have that lovely executive feeling. But even without that, the amount of leg space, as you can see, is just incredible. As I get in now, I mean, this is amazing. There's a footrest there that'll come out. Above my head, I've got the central speaker system with the ambient lighting around it. The third zone climate control. If you come all the way in, being the executive, you have this center panel here. The armrest comes down, which then has another touchpad. You can configure most of the car, comfort, settings, phone. Could be whole space underneath. You can press this one button. Electronically, this pops out for you, ready to use. Pass it over to your passenger, then he can do or she their settings. Other little features like the illuminated seatbelt buckle, which is a nice little touch, and they're light up red just there, as you can see. 3-point seatbelts, ISOFIX attachments, lots of space here as well. 32,000 miles, one owner from new, beautiful example. As you get to the back of the car, it's the S-Class, it's a long wheelbase. It's one of the biggest cars that they're selling the executive saloon type, so you expect a massive boot. Now this badge here means 4-wheel drive, so it's a 4Matic as well. Not everyone knows that. They just naturally assume it's a Mercedes, it's rear-wheel drive, it'd be no good in the winter. That's not the case. Huge boot space with the through hatch just there. The car, for me, just does everything. You've got the double tailpipes with chrome features. Again, that lovely sporty rear diffuser. Bodywork is in a fantastic condition. Does come with 2 keys and also comes fully prepared. Other features like hazard warning triangles there, so when you're switching lanes, that'll flash a red just to make you aware that there is someone there, so don't turn just yet. Push button start, and you've got that 3-litre petrol engine kicking in. Sounds good. You can see the light show going on just there. The new 3-spoke steering wheel with the ceramic finish and touch sensitive. You've got paddle shift, you've got Mercedes me in here. More piano black on the center console. Twin cup holders, charging port, wireless charging pad as well. It's just got it all. And like I said, the sunroof does slide back as well, which is a nice little touch. It's nice, it's very nice. Let me just quickly show you the 360 camera system because that's in high definition. There's no excuse to curb or scratch the car because you can see every single angle of the car there, and that's pretty neat also. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. But do your research, have a look to see what else is out there in this sort of price range, and you'll see that this is a lot of car for that money. All right.